What is the yellow thermostat wire used for in HVAC use? Simply, we have addressed the blue and the red. The blue and the red pull the 24 volts in. So once 24 volts has been pulled in to the thermostat, what function would the yellow be? 24 volts is passed from the red to the yellow via the thermostat according to what is called. In many applications, the yellow will go to the outside condenser if one has a split unit, or to the outside if one has a package unit, which effectively a package unit is just one big box outside, generally speaking. A split unit is 2 units, one inside, one outside. So the yellow wire would go outside to the condenser. When the yellow wire and the common wire would connect to the contactor inside of the condenser, it would energize the contactor. Hence, after contactor is energized, it would pass 240 from L1 to L2 to T1 to T2, which in turn would energize the compressor and condenser fan motor. So the yellow could be used for cooling. In most circumstances, yellow will be used for cooling. So, but in heat pumps, there exists a thing which is known as a reversing valve. So there is another wire which will be covered in another video. But primarily the yellow wire and the blue wire, if blue is used as common, will energize the HVAC contactor outside, which in turn will energize the compressor and the condenser fan motor. Hence, the freon will begin to move, and it will be, if called for heat, not heat, if called for cooling on the thermostat, then the cooling process will begin until the set point is reached on the thermostat. So, to recap, yellow wire, 24 volts. Yellow wire goes to outside condenser or package unit, which in turn energizes the contactor. Once the contactor is energized, high voltage passes from one side to the other side. Once high voltage passes, compressor and condenser fan motor starts, and refrigerant should begin to move, and the cooling process should begin.